The African wilderness, a tapestry of life. Africa, often called the cradle of humanity, is a continent of unparalleled natural beauty and biodiversity. Its vast, untamed landscapes are home to an astonishing array of wildlife, from the iconic Big Five to the lesser-known but equally fascinating creatures. A continent of contrasts. The African wilderness is a mosaic of diverse ecosystems. Savanna. The iconic African savanna, characterized by grasslands and scattered trees, is home to lions, elephants, zebras, and countless other species. Rainforest. Lush and teeming with life, the African rainforest is a world unto itself, with gorillas, chimpanzees, and a myriad of exotic plants and animals. Desert. The vast deserts of Africa, such as the Sahara and Kalahari, are harsh environments where only the most adapted creatures can survive, like camels and scorpions. Mountains. Africa's mountains, like the Drakensberg and Kilimanjaro, offer unique ecosystems with diverse flora and fauna. Wildlife wonders. Africa is a wildlife enthusiast's paradise. From the majestic African elephant to the graceful giraffe, the continent boasts an incredible variety of large mammals. Predatory species like lions, leopards, and cheetahs are at the top of the food chain, while smaller creatures like meerkats and hyenas play vital roles in the ecosystem.